class. Today we'll talk about how can you enable one-tap trading on your FxPro app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on trading settings, come here to one tap trading here, just click in this sign that like you see this, so you click here on I accept, like you see this color show for us. That's mean one tap trading, it's enabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. So just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.